She left old King County to follow destiny, flew toward the setting sun, crossed the Rocky Mountains down to the Salish Sea, found a new life had begun. She's living in the city, people run to and fro, working to make their day pay. Nighttime brings a hush and the street lamps' misty glow. Ship lights float in English Bay. She's a three-river songbird, the Rose of Montague. They call her Caley, she'll sing a song or two. Her name is Caley, she'll sing along with you. She loves the morning sunrise, the river's silver flow, mountains where trees touch the sky, the beauty of the flowers and the fields where they grow, eagles soaring way up high, evenings by the ocean walk the sandy shore, moonlight dancing on the sea. Her smile says she's happy, she couldn't ask for more. The joy it is to be free. She's a three-river songbird, the Rose of Montague. They call her Caley, she'll sing a song or two. Her name is Caley, she'll sing along